my dear student, this past month must have been filled with happiness, mixed with anger and anxiety. But that should not stop you from moving ahead. Learning is a continuous process, so you have to keep study, devote your certain hours to go through your books, complete the assignments sent to you by your teachers who have put their time and energy in order to help you. Take this time to learn new activities and spend your time wisely. Let's hope that when this phase is past, you would have learned a new life skills, maybe gardening or household chore of your interest, or even a new hobby. For the pending examination to be conducted, we will plan strategically so that all students stranded outside the state are not left out. Hence, there should not be a panic. My advice to you all is to be hopeful and have faith that this will all end. We should be able to come out of the situation on a positive note. The pandemic has taught us to appreciate the things that we have always taken for granted. It has taught us a value of life. By staying home, we are not only saving ourselves but our entire community. Do your bit to conquer and defeat this deadly virus that has taken over the world. Friends, in this time, it is us as a whole, not as an individual, that can overcome this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Thank you.